Now this morning, a Johnson City man accused of threatening his neighbors with a gun is due in court. According to Johnson City police, officers responded to a call in the 3200 block of Mayfield Drive on Friday night just after 8:30 about a neighbor making threats with a handgun. Police say George Traver threatened to kill two of his neighbors while pointing a gun in their direction. Traver was arrested and charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault. He was taken to the Washington County Detention Center and is being held on a $20,000 bond. He's scheduled to appear in court this morning at 10:30.